Imagine that it is a rainy day and you're having a cozy afternoon in, just reading and relaxing. And you suddenly crave a warm chocolatey drink. But you cannot seem to find the ingredients needed to make a hot mug of chocolate. Well, Tiggle Hot Chocolate is going to be the solution to that problem. I recently came across this brand of hot chocolate, and having tried so many other brands before, I was a bit skeptical, but I was absolutely blown away by it. Each pack of Tiggle Hot Chocolate contains one cocoa pod in it, which has around 30 to 40 cocoa beans. That's absolutely insane. Let me show you how easy it is to make this hot chocolate. The instructions are written clearly on the pack, and there are only 2 steps really. So first you're going to add your hot chocolate mix to a vessel. And then you're going to add in your milk. First, add in only a little because we're going to make a paste with it. Mix this until you see no lumps and you get a smooth paste. After this, you're going to add the remaining milk and mix it all in until it is all uniform. And then place this on the stove and turn on the flame on low, and you're going to keep stirring it until it comes to a simmer. After a while, it will start boiling and you need to keep mixing, but you will see how thick it has become. You just need to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes after it comes to a boil, and you can switch it off. And then pour it in your favorite mug. You can see how thick the consistency of the hot chocolate is. It's absolutely decadent. And your mug of hot chocolate is ready to enjoy. I do love myself a hot chocolate made entirely from scratch, but trust me, you cannot tell the difference when you're having Tiggle Hot Chocolate because of the high quality ingredients that they use. This is my absolute favorite hot chocolate, and trust me, this will make your rainy season a million times better. If you want to cozy up with your own hot chocolate, make sure to click the link in the video description and go to their website and use my discount code NIA10 for a 10% discount. I hope you have a cozy and safe rainy season. Bye!